Today we are going to make this delicious creamy coconut white beans. You need your boiled white beans, you need some freshly squeezed coconut milk, you need some green spices and some green pepper, some chopped onions, some salt, seasoning cubes, curry powder and white pepper. You'll also be needing some chopped carrots. You need some chopped tomatoes as well. I use a lot of tomatoes when I make beans, whatever beans, white beans, black beans, whatever. You need some chopped boiled meat, some blended garlic and ginger and pepper, which is optional. So for our process, we're going to put some oil on the fire and then we're going to fry the tomato. If you have watched my videos of how I make my other beans, it's basically the same thing, but the difference is here I use granule oil and then or vegetable oil, and then I also I'm going to add my coconut milk, which is a star of this dish. I have fallen in love with coconut milk and my kids have fallen in love with it. They always enjoy it when I add it in meals. The flavor is so good. It just makes the food feel richer. Okay, so after adding my tomato, I go ahead to add some onion and I'm going to give it some time to fry. I also go ahead to add the meat. So now we've just added our green spices. I didn't want to add in all the green pepper because I like to add it at the same time when I'm adding my carrots. If you are to use green beans, go ahead and use it. I am not a fan. I prefer green peppers and carrots together. So I'm just adding my white pepper, curry powder, seasoning cubes, salt. I'm adding everything that needs to be added at this point, and then I am just going to mix it together, mix up everything together. Once I add in my coconut milk, I'm going to just give it another stir and then I'll bring in my beans. I like making meals that are not complicated. Like everything goes in one pot, mix it together, cover it and allow it to cook. I like making meals like this, and this is one of the reasons why I always have beans when I'm making my freezer meals, because it's so easy to make. Once your beans is ready, that's it. So I'm just going to mix it up together, and then I'm going to allow it to boil. It's going to boil for about 15 more minutes and I'm going to take it off the fire. At this point I was just trying to taste it to know if it tastes good. Okay, I came in with the last portion of beans. You're going to see me add my carrots and my green peppers at the end. Okay,